Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be decluttering and organizing my lip products. I do have all of my high-end lip products in this drawer right here. And then my drugstore lip products I have in this bottom drawer. So I pretty much just need to go ahead and organize these and get these decluttered as well. And of course, get it cleaned up because it looks really gross. So if you guys want to declutter and organize with me, then of course, let's get started. Starting off, we're going to do my drugstore products first because you guys know I love my drugstore lip products. I do have more of my lip products on my vanity. If you guys watch my vanity declutter and organization, you guys saw the bulk of my lip products over there. This is just pretty much like my overflow drawer where I have my extra lip products that's not like my go-to ones. So let's go ahead and get this decluttered right quickly. I do have my Profusion lip kits. I'm definitely going to keep these because I just got these, I want to say the beginning of last year. So definitely going to keep these. Then I also have the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lips. I showed you guys this in my vanity makeup video, but I told you I was not going to get rid of it. So I'm just going to keep this one. Here is another one. And then here is the red one. So I think that's pretty much all of those. Then I do have these Nika K lip colors. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's super pigmented. This color is so pretty. It's called Dahlia. Definitely going to keep this. And then I also have another one right here that's still unopened. So I'm going to keep this as well because these are really good glosses. Alright, I'm moving on. I do have these Cleon colors. It's the Mally Matte Lip Gloss. I have quite a few of these in my drawer. I honestly should get rid of it because you can't even, I don't even know where you can like find these at because I got it off of Shop Hush, but you guys know that does not exist anymore. I'm pretty sure they probably have a website or something, but I do like their glosses, so I do want to keep them. I have quite a bit of colors in here, and some of these are still closed, so definitely going to keep these. Yeah, so these are all of their glosses right here, so definitely want to keep all of these. Alright, so I have a NYX lip gloss. It's going to be one of their red colors. I do have all my NYX products on my vanity, but I told you guys I don't really do too many red lip products. So that's why I have it in this overflow drawer over here. So still going to keep it because I want to have that one red lip just for a random day. So I'm going to keep this one. Then I have this LA Colors. It's going to be the Pout Lip Gloss. It's their matte color. Haven't used this one yet. I got it from the Dollar General. I'm going to keep it because I haven't used it yet and I still want to actually use it. And I think the nude color is so pretty as well. So I want to set this off to the side. Then I have these Jordana matte creams. I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this color. I don't really do too many like matte lip products, so I may just keep this color and get rid of this pinkish color. So that is what I'm going to do today, is keep one and get rid of this one. Moving on in, I do have this NYC Expert Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one I'm going to let go because it looks kind of patchy just a little bit, so I'm gonna let this one go. I do have the Revlon Ultra Matte HD lip colors. These were like my favorite things when they first came out. Super pigmented, and they was actually comfortable to wear on my lips, so definitely gonna keep these because I actually enjoy these a lot. Alright, then I have these two Revlon products. It's going to be their lip glosses. These colors I both like. I've had them for a long time, so I should get rid of them, but I don't want to get rid of it until I actually can verify that they have some more in store because I do like these colors. This one is going to be the one called Smoky Quartz. Like, I love this color so much, so if I can actually find it in store, then I'll actually get rid of it. But until then, I'm not. And then the other one is called Sun. I can't read this one, but anyways, this one is so pretty for like everyday wear. Like, look at that. So freaking pretty. So these I'm definitely keeping. Alright, then I have this random lip color. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it because it's just really random. So this one can go. And then this Nika K True Matte Lip Color, this one can go as well. Then I have another Rimmel London Lip Lacquer. I can get rid of this one because I don't want this one anymore. Then this LA Colors High Shine. Definitely keeping this one because it's a really pretty like topper over darker lip color. So I'm going to keep this one. I have this Victoria's Secret Lip Gloss. Going to keep this because I got it last year. Then I have the Milani Amore Lip Cream. I'm going to keep this one because I think it's so pretty. It's like the metallic ones. So I'm going to keep this one because I think it's really pretty. And I like to use these as toppers over other colors or just by itself. As you can see, so cute. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and filter through the rest of these and put you guys on fast forward. And then we'll just try to organize from here. Everything is pretty much sorted out. I'm just going to take everything out of this drawer and then just wipe the drawer down so it could be nice and clean and not have all of these like lipstick marks on it. So everything in here is pretty much what I want to keep. So I do have this organizer. I actually had this on my vanity, but you guys know I had decluttered my vanity and I pretty much lost a lot of lip products. So I do have this just kind of like laying around. I kind of figured I'll just use it to actually store my lip products or my lipsticks in here just so I can get some actual use out of it. So I do have this. And I picked up this container from the Dollar Tree as extra storage space. That way I don't have my products just laying around, rolling around on here. So I do have this if need be, but I also have my older containers as well. So let's just see what I can do in terms of like organization and making space and all that wonderful stuff. So let's get putting these products back in their place. And I'm hoping these fit because the drawer is not the deepest drawer like down here, so I'm hoping they fit. If not, then I have to think of plan B. So let's see. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, so it works down here but not back there. So so in here, I'm just going to put all of my Milani lip shines like these because this container is pretty much gross. So I'm going to transfer these over. brands you pretty much can't find anywhere. I just put all of their products in here because I still like them, but I really can't use them as far as like actual videos. So I'm just gonna tuck these more towards the back. You guys, this is pretty much the finished product. So I had to change out my lipstick holder to my smaller one because I couldn't fit all of my trays in here. So I do have my lipsticks right here standing up. I have my Milani and my Maybelline products in this one. In this one, I pretty much have like my random brands where it's just like one of maybe like one particular brand. So I have those in this one. This one I pretty much have like my Revlon products, and I also have my Believe Beauty lip products in here, and I also have my e.l.f. lip products in this one. And then back here, let me show you guys. So back here is pretty much like my extra like lipsticks that can't fit in here, and I have like some more Maybelline Vivid Mattes in this one. So just like some random, just smaller lip products in here. And then back here is pretty much, again, my brands that you cannot buy because they're probably no longer available to buy. They sit in this one back here. And this is what my new setup looks like for my lip products at the drugstore, and I love it a lot. And again, I got all of these containers at Walmart, and it was only 97 cents, so super affordable, and it actually comes in a pack of 3, so not a bad price at all. All right, next we're going to tackle my high-end lip product. I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this part as well because my camera is going to die on me in literally no time. So I'm just going to pretty much speed through here and just kind of see what I want to keep and not keep, and then just kind of organize it that way. You guys, this is pretty much the completed project for this one. So I have all of my lip products as far as lipsticks in this acrylic container that I had an extra one of as well. Then I pretty much have all of these like organized by brand. So I have like Anastasia, Stila, and Buxom in here. This one I pretty much have like Too Faced, Lorac, and Kylie, and like one random like Fenty product. Back here I have my Sephora lip products and also like Bite Beauty, and I have some like a random Urban Decay. And then back here I pretty much have like my 3, well actually my 4 bougie high-end lip products, and that's pretty much how I have it organized. And I love how everything turned out. So this is my high-end, and this is my drugstore. So love it, love it, love it. And this is pretty much what we got rid of. It wasn't a lot, but keep in mind, if you watch my makeup vanity video, I pretty much did like a huge declutter in that one. So there wasn't really that much left over as far as decluttering. So this is pretty much what's going in the trash can. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please be sure to give it 2 thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.